Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into an exciting case study where we have helped a custom home builder boost their visibility and significantly increase their leads through the Google AdWords. If you are in the construction industry or a custom home builder, then this case study will provide valuable insights on how to improve your marketing efforts. So now in terms of the client overview, our client is a reputable custom home builder based in Bainbridge Island, specializing in designing and building custom homes and major residential remodels. Known for their exceptional craftsmanship, client-focused approach and the transparent communication, they have sought to enhance their visibility and generate more qualified leads in a highly competitive market. The next is the business growth and the future marketing trends. As the demand for personalized living spaces continue to rise, custom home builders have a tremendous opportunity to grow. The key to capitalizing on this demand lies in the targeted digital marketing efforts, especially on platforms like Google AdWords, where businesses can reach highly qualified prospects. Future marketing trends in the construction industry will focus on digital optimization, personalized targeting, and highlighting the craftsmanship to attract more discerning customers. So now in terms of how they have approached us, the client approached us after struggling to generate consistent and high quality leads. Despite their strong reputation, they were not reaching their desired audience effectively through their previous Google AdWords campaign. They need a strategic partner to revamp their lead generation efforts and improve their ad performance. So now in terms of our strategy, we have implemented a tailored Google AdWords strategy to help the client achieve their goals. Geo-targeted search campaigns. We have designed search campaigns specifically targeting Bainbridge Island and the nearby regions. This allowed us to focus on potential customers searching for custom home building services and the residential remodels in the local area, ensuring the more qualified traffic. The next is the dynamic search ads. DSAs were used to capture the broad search queries relevant to the client services such as the custom home builder, Bainbridge Island, and home remodeling contractor. This expanded the reach and attracted additional high quality inquiries. Ad extensions for better engagement. We have utilized the call extension, the cyclic extension, and the location extension to encourage more direct engagement from the search results, making it easier for potential client to contact the business. Smart bidding for the lead optimization. By using the Google's target CPA and enhanced CPC bidding strategies, we have ensured that the ads were shown to users most likely to become the qualified leads, optimizing the budget and enhancing the cost efficiency. Next is the remarketing campaigns. We have deployed the remarketing ads targeting users who had previously visited the website but did not convert. These ads helped recapture interest and drove more users back to complete inquiries. The next is the ad copy testing and the refinement. A/B testing of the ad copy focus on emphasizing key benefits such as the open communication to 24/7 project access and the quality craftsmanship. These messages resonated with the prospective clients, improving the CTR and the engagement. The next is the ongoing optimizations. To maintain and improve the performance, we have continuously monitored the campaigns and made necessary adjustments. This included refining the keywords, adjusting bids, and testing new ad formats. We also implemented the negative keyword to filter out irrelevant traffic, ensuring the ad spend was used efficiently to attract only the most relevant leads. So now the next is in terms of the results. With our best PPC practices, we are able to generate 475 high quality leads with the CPA of only 24.35 per lead. This targeted approach growth significantly improved the engagement, leading to increased inquiries and direct calls, exceeding the client's expectations in the lead generation. The client has achieved substantial growth in the lead generation and improved their marketing presence. They are now better positioned to secure new projects and solidify their reputation as a top custom home builder in their region. We are excited to continue working with them and driving even more success in the future. Thanks. If you are running the Google AdWords campaigns and want to achieve better results, share your website and budget with us or call our phone number. We will be able to give you a quick audit of your account and provide you with the strategies for the optimal performance. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insights.